How to fix your microphone not working in your Windows. Hello guys, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your settings. After you open your settings, go to privacy and security on the left hand side, and after you're there, scroll down and you will see something like your microphone. Open up your microphone and scroll down. Now here you will need to give access to different applications to use your microphone. Now, if you don't have your microphone enabled for your Microsoft Teams, you will not be able to use your microphone for Teams. So make sure that you enable microphone for the ones that you require. And after you do that, we are done here. Now the next method that we are going to use is by going to the control panel. So search for control panel and open it up. After you open your control panel, you will see something like this initially. Now you'll have to click on view by and you can choose either large or small icons. And after you do so, you will see sound here. Tap on sound, and after the sound opens up, you will see the playback and recording. Now if you want your microphone to work, just go to the recording, choose your microphone, open it up, and you will see different options here. Go to levels and make sure that your microphone level is at max. Now after you do that, hit on OK and again hit on OK, and you're basically done. Now this should fix your microphone not working in your Windows. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.